What up, y'all? It is the final episode. Guys, check out these beauties. Oh, I'm so pumped. I don't mean to brag, but I can't believe how this turned out. You know, it's honestly better than I ever imagined. We're in the final video, guys. The final video of the series of me building this miniature drum set. Now, there's going to be a lot more after this where I'm going to make new cymbals, possibly make new types of drums out of triangles or squares or different materials like an acrylic set. You need to send me some ideas, and I would love to make more of these drum sets. So if you want to buy them, hey, maybe I'll start selling them too. I have no idea. But y'all, we are on the final process. This is so exciting. We are going to reassemble today, and the next step after that is rocking out. Bam! I'm so pumped. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for following along. Let's get this thing together. All right. Now, here's what I've done already. So right now, I just put all of the drums back together, and I just drilled the holes in my acrylic top. Y'all, this is so exciting. This is what I was using for forever, and I used basically just a marker to mark all the holes. This was a test run board, and then I knew once I got everything in place, I could drill them on this. So everything is drilled. We're at 26 holes in counting. I think that's all of it. Let me count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30 holes, actually. 30 holes. This is going to be the most satisfying part, though. I have been waiting to do this for so long, y'all. Check that out. Yes! This is going to be incredibly cool. It's going to be like the drum set is sitting on glass. Look how beautiful that is. All right, let's do the like 20-second put together montage. Just kidding, it's going to probably take forever. We'll see. See you in a second. Oh man, this is it. Doing the final steps. And now the finishing touch. The hi-hat right there, baby. Woo! That's everything. All done. Just done. You know, nothing else left to do. Everything's tightened, everything's pulled together. I have completed a miniature drum set, and I don't really know what to do about it right now. So I guess the only thing we can do is play them. That's it. I can't believe it's over. 100% complete. I don't have any adjustments that needs to happen right now. Everything is working. Everything is in place. It's on the acrylic. I can't believe it. The acrylic looks so good. But man, I'm loving it. So hey, if you want to see more of this type of stuff, put it in the comments. If you want me to build a different type of drum set, maybe out of like triangle drums or square ones, I don't even know. I just had those thoughts come to my mind. But anyways, just let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you again for watching. Y'all, there's some drum covers coming up. Hey, if you want to see a certain song be played or something with the mini drum set, just put it in the chat. Put it in the comments area. Love to see it. But anyways, that's it for this episode. Thank you for following along. That's it for the build series right now. But if you want to do more later, put it in the chat area. But yeah, so anyways, thank you for watching. I will see you on the next Mini Drum Monday. God bless you all.